Hi guys, today I'm showing you my squishy collection through rainbow order. Let's go. So first we have this big red strawberry. It's actually really good. It has a little bit of air, but that's okay. Then we have a mini strawberry that I literally just got today, and it low-key feels good with the air. I don't know why, but like it does. It feels so good. Okay, so those were my two red items. Now for orange, I have this jumbo orange croissant. Feels so good. And then I got another orange croissant, and it's even smaller. And this one's like, I love this one. It's like one of my favorite squishies. This one's also really good. So for yellow, I have this yellow cheese. I have a yellow duck. I have 3 butters. So I have a really dirty one. Then I have like a really clean one that I got today. And I have a jumbo one that's also really clean. Then we have this other yellow gummy bear. And then this bird. Okay, now for green, I have this jumbo green squishy. Then I made this one by myself, and it's like one of my favorites. It actually feels so nice. Then I got this one today as a pickle. It actually feels really nice because I took the air out. And then I didn't know whether this was purple or green, but I chose it green because it's majority pink. Green, but I have some purple in it. Yeah. They made another gummy bear that's also green. Okay, so I have this nice cube that's green and blue and purple. Feels really good. Okay, and then I didn't know if the mark is green or blue, but I marked it in blue because it's majority blue. It has some green in it. Okay, so now for blue, we have a really good sugar squishy, a squid, which is a sand squishy. I don't really like sand squishies. Okay guys, we're gonna hurry. A blue fuzzball cat, one of those like wobble things that I have. I got them when squishies weren't popular. A dream drop, jumbo donut, a blueberry, purple fuzzball cat, a pink squishy, pink octopus, random squishy, a dumpling, a pink Neato, a gummy bear, which was really nice. Another sugar squishy, that's a bunny. A jumbo pink squishy. And last but not least, a peanut. Peace, y'all. Bye.